Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing something a little bit different. I actually filmed a video like this already, which I'll explain in a minute, but oh my god, look at how my black eyeliner on my top is transferring to the bottom. That's cute. So today I'm going to be doing an eye look with my James Charles palette, but what I decided to do was I'm going to use two different things on my eyelids. So typically I always use my Shape Tape to prime my eyes, but Danielle Schmidt primes her eyelids with the NYX, what's it? Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And I've done it a couple times. I really like the way it works, but I want to see the difference between my normal concealer and this NYX pencil and see if there is any difference at all. And I originally filmed this video and I went and got an eyeshadow primer because I don't really have one that I can find. And I filmed this video with the Wet n Wild eyeshadow primer on one side and Shape Tape on the other side, and it was the first time I had used that eyeshadow primer, and it just made my eyelids super dry, and I feel like it wasn't a fair comparison. So here I am doing it again, and I'm a little sick, so I'm sorry if I sound weird. But yeah, I'm just going to put the Milk pencil on my right eye and my Shape Tape on my left eye, and then we will get started with eyeshadow. I use different spots in my beauty blender to blend these out so they don't get mixed up. Obviously I have already done my base makeup, but oh my god, this black eyeliner I put on. Okay, just so everybody knows, this is the Ulta Beauty eyeliner pencil in black, and it is going everywhere. Oh my god. No. It's making my eyelid black. Excuse me. Oh no. Well, I'll add a little bit more to that after. Let me use the other end. Try to blend out this side without smearing that too much. The pencil is a little bit harder to blend out, but I'll just add a little more and do it with my finger. Try to cover up all those black lines on my eye. This one has it too. Oh my god. What a great start to the video. I had white eyeliner on. That's insane. It transferred all the way onto my waterline and all the way down under my eyes. So this video wasn't supposed to be about that, but just so you guys are aware, that's what happened. Right off the bat, the pencil is a lot drier than the Shape Tape is, and you can kind of see how it looks dry on my eyelids, which when I've used this before, it didn't really do that, so I'm not sure what's happening. I'm just gonna get this black up as much as I can. This is insane. I've never had an eyeliner transfer like that. Anyway, all right, we're just gonna ignore all the black eyeliner that's everywhere currently, and we're gonna use my James Charles palette, and I have no idea what I wanna do. I think I'm gonna do like a half cut crease type of thing so I can use as many colors as possible here. So I'm gonna do warm shades on my upper lid and then cool tones on my lower eyelid, and that's all I have planned so far. This is like a true red. This is You're Kidding, and I'm gonna put this into my crease. Let's see what happens. I, did everything to my face like I normally do, moisturized, eye creams, all that. So this is, I did moisturize and I didn't do different things to my eyes is all I'm trying to say. They're looking pretty similar to me so far. I'm really just packing the color on there. I have kind of an idea in my head, but I'm not sure if I can actually make it happen. Alright, so those look pretty much the same. The dryness doesn't seem to be showing too bad on this side, even though it looked really bad with the pencil. But now I'm gonna go into 518 or 518, I don't know, this one. The orange, and I'm gonna put that like half on the red and half on my lid, and I'm just packing that on like I did with the last color, and then I'll slowly blend it in. And now my kids are playing outside and my window is right there, so you're gonna be able to hear them, and I'm really sorry about that. As of now, I'm not really noticing that much difference. This side looks a little bit more blended, the side with the NYX pencil on it. This one the colors are there, but there's this line that will not blend away. Which, I mean, the line is on this side too. It's just blended a lot better. Interesting. And I feel like the red on this side is blending away a little bit, and it might be staying a little bit better on this side. I don't know, we'll keep going. Who knows what's gonna happen? All right, now I'm gonna grab this yellow called B, this one. That's gonna be a shade to kind of blend all of this together. I love like the sunset look, oh my God. I could do this every day and be happy. But I've also been really loving blues and greens. I don't know, I just love all the colors, so why not put them all on my face today, right? Yeah, I don't know, this side just looks more seamless and blended to me than this side does, but we're gonna continue. How am I gonna make this transition? I don't really wanna do a cut crease, so I'm gonna try to just make this work. All right, so what I'm gonna do is take this shade Escape and pack that into my lower outer corner. And a little bit up here, but I'm not blending it yet. I'm just packing it on. I don't know how well these two colors are gonna mix together. I like to do more of like faux cut creases. Like I feel like you can do it without actually needing concealer, and that's just an extra step that takes too long. That's just my opinion though, so don't hate me. I'm not a huge fan of cut creases, especially with hooded eyes. I don't know. They just take forever. I think on a smaller brush, taking a little bit more of Escape and bringing that up this way. Kind of looks like a faux wing. I don't know, I'm experimenting. All right, I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. See, if I didn't have my face done already, I would like make them super sharp, but all right, so what am I gonna do next? I'm just gonna keep going with it and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna take this one, which is called Brother, and put this right up against the purple. Again, just packing it on. And then I'll blend it in with the purple a little bit. Why do I always choose things that are gonna take me forever? Just be simple. No. This purple's gonna drive me crazy until I have it the way I want it, so I'm just gonna fix it now. I'll just keep taking Escape and making this look a little bit better here. See how it's creating the cut crease without actually needing to cut my crease? It's such a waste of time to me. All right, those look pretty good for now. Now I'm taking Brother again on this little tiny brush and packing that on right here. And pulling it into the, no. I'm gonna pull it into the purple without fucking everything up. Now, what am I gonna do? All right, I'm gonna go in with a couple different shimmers now, I think. First, I'm gonna take Acapella and put this up against Brother, and then I'm gonna take Hello and put that on my inner corner, and then we'll figure out the lower lash line. And I'm just gonna continue to use this little brush just because it's working for me right now, so. I'm taking in a little bit more on the bottom than on the top because the light blue is gonna kind of come like this. Sorry that I'm not very upbeat today, guys. I am like dosed up on cold medicine right now just so I can get this done. I have not wet this, by the way. I try to avoid wetting eyeshadows just because they look really weird on my eyelids. I have a lot of loose skin on my eyelids and it looks weird with wet shadows, okay? So just let me be. Let's look at this for a second. Okay. These colors were a lot easier to put on. That dark blue took me a lot less time, the shimmer, than it did on this side. And I feel like it's coming out a lot better over here. Besides that one little mistake, like it's working out a lot better on this side than on this side. And the color looks more vibrant over here, but I'll try to build it up a little bit, which I have been doing already, but I don't want to be mismatched for my snow day at home. I'm gonna hop back into Playground just for a second because I want that color to be there. I absolutely love this color. You can see how easily that's going down. Let's see what happens on this side. All right, I could spend days. I still can't get this shimmery blue on this side to look right. Obviously it looks like a nice slant when my eyes are like this, but when I open them, it's gone. But you can see like right here, that shimmery blue is connecting when I look up at the camera, but it's connecting that line, and then on this side it's just not. Like, I can't get that straight line over there. I'm trying, and I do this all the time, like faking my cut crease. It's just not, it's not. All right, I'm gonna move on to the lighter blue called Hello, and we're just gonna see how this goes over top of this. Going over orange can be a little difficult, so we're just gonna keep patting and not blending. It's working out pretty well on this eye. I mean, considering it's going over orange and it's also not a wet shadow. Do I spray it? No. Yeah, they're all going on really well over here. Let's see what happens on the other side. Wow, I am so untalkative today. I am so sorry. So what's up, guys? How have you been? How's everything going? What have you been up to? I can't wait to go lay down in bed. I've just been wearing nothing but sweatshirts and sweatpants since I've been sick for like the last week. All right, so they seem to be going on about the same for the comparison. Maybe it's because I have hooded eyes that this works for me so well, because really, like, everything gets lost. So it doesn't really matter, and I know that my eyeshadow is not going to transfer because all that is there. So, like, it's not transferring up on the, hey. It's not transferring up onto my lids. I do have some fallout on my face, which I expected. And, you know what, I am going to spray these just to get this a little bit more bright on the inner corner. I'm going to do it. Okay. It's definitely a lot more vibrant wet, but I gotta find a different spray. What does that smell like?
Weird.
And when they're wet, you can make a little bit better of a line. And when I'm done with this, I am gonna tell you guys, I have tried out like the NYX pencil a few times, so I want to tell you my thoughts about the whole thing. I just love to keep going and going and going and create like super fun, crazy things. And where the hell did that blue shimmer go? I'm gonna jump back into the dark one just to make the transition. These all blend so nicely together. I just want to keep going and make something super fun and cool. But I'm only testing out primers. I gotta remember that. I always go overboard. All right, let me do the other eye. I mean, yeah, it's definitely so much more vibrant when you wet it. I don't like the way it looks on my eyes personally, because it makes like my extra skin on my eyes look funny. We're getting real personal today, guys. Yeah, I hate the way my eyes look, but it does make the shadow perform better. And I'm just spraying it with a regular setting spray. It's the Maybelline, maybe it's Maybelline. Maybelline Master Fix, you know. I just threw it, so that's good. That will stay there for now. So then I went back in with the dark blue, so I'll do that over here too. Just to get the blendy on here. And I put a little bit on the edge, which you can't even see, and I'm ridiculous, and I just need to go overboard. What's with these purple wings? Nobody knows. I need to try to figure out how to fix these purple wings, but first, I'm gonna take a little bit of that purple eyeshadow and just define this a little bit more. Looking a little sloppy. All right, that's looking a little better. So I'm just gonna play with this purple for a little while and see how I can fix this mess. I'm probably gonna have it come in on my lower lash line a little bit, but I wanna add some more different colors, so I don't know. Like, I don't wanna wipe it away because I'm afraid I'm gonna smudge it, so I kinda just have to make it work with what I have. Oh my God, I have fallout. Brush it off. Why do I choose to do things like this? But eyeshadow's the best part, it's so fun. Like, I just wanna be doing my eyeshadow all the time. But it doesn't look right without a full face of makeup. Which, don't get me wrong, I love other makeup too and how it can transform your face. I love eyeshadow. It's calming, and I still get to do like my artsy stuff, but without killing my back quite as much. This one is so much thicker. Why is that? Well, this is a little bit weird. Before I do my lower lash line, let's talk about the concealers, because that's really what we're here for, or the primers, I guess we'll call them. So, NYX Shape Tape. I 100% think this eye looks better overall. The colors, the warm tone shades blended a lot better, and everything is just going on nicer, I feel like. But this one's not bad. Like, I can make a great eye look with, what the hell is this? Concealer. But especially using color, I feel like white just makes it pop a little more. Like, this eye just looks like a tiny bit more dull than this one does, and you probably can't see it on camera. And also, like, things don't look blended as well on this eye, like up here, as opposed to this eye. It's nice and smooth. So I don't know. I really like the NYX pencil, and I think if you have it, maybe you should give it a shot, especially if you're gonna be using colorful eyeshadow. Hello. I just dropped my concealer. I don't know where it went. And yeah, I'm just gonna complete my lower lash line, and I don't even know if I'm gonna put lipstick on today. My lips are really chapped. I've been using this Ulta Beauty Watermelon Lip Jelly. I just got it for Christmas, but it's almost gone. It feels fine. I mean, it tastes like watermelon, so. To continue the slower lash line, I'm going to... Would it be cheating if I use another palette too? Where's my ColourPop palette? Hello? Are you hiding from me? Where is that thing? Oh no. I'm pretty sure my ColourPop palette just got up and left. I need it. I can't complete my makeup without it. I just don't understand, like, where did it go? Oh my god. I found it, and it was under my table. I'm all over the place. Surprise! I'm gonna use... I need, like, a transition here. Alright, I'm gonna grab a tiny bit of Brother. Just a tiny bit. Just to put right here. Barely. Oops. Oopsie. I keep digging my fingers into shit. Alright, now I'm taking Social Blade. This green. Yeah, because I have to. Love green. So cute. You can't even really see it, but just keep building it up. It's hard because you don't want to use a lot of product on your lower lash line because you don't want all the fallout, but at the same time, you still want to get the color, which is starting to show. The whole reason I needed this ColourPop palette is because I want this yellow. This is called So Meta, but it's really pretty. And I'm going to spray it with a different setting spray because I threw my other one across the room. Inner corner, baby. And this part of my lower lash line. Ooh. Yep. Like that. I always blend my inner corner shade like up a little bit. I feel like it just opens my eyes up a little bit more. I like it. I like it a lot. Yeah, like I said, I definitely like this eye better. It just looks better. See, you can do a cut crease without all the concealer and all the anger. I get so mad when I'm cutting my crease because of my hooded eyes. It drives me insane. I'm gonna put some mascara on, possibly put something on my lips, and I'll be right back to talk about the differences. Remember that time I said maybe I'll do lips? It's been about half an hour and I had an entirely different, oh, cute. I had a different color on, well, I had different colors on my lips, and I was trying to do something really fun and creative, and then I was like, this looks like mud. What am I doing? Why am I trying to be creative with lipstick? So I went with purple. Forgot what this video is about for a second. Hello. My eyes. So like I said, I have used the NYX pencil several times before I made this video because I just wanted to see how it worked. Obviously, I've used it with other palettes other than the James Charles palette, and it works really, really good. I'm not gonna lie, it's cheap. And okay, when I first got this pencil, I was so confused because it feels like it's plastic, and I was assuming for it to like twist up or something like that, and it just wouldn't. And then Lacey and I, she was like looking it up, and then we found out that we just sharpen it like with a sharpener, even though it's plastic. And then I went and bought a sharpener, and it sharpened it like a tiny little bit, and then it just stopped sharpening. It wouldn't work anymore. So I went and got the actual NYX sharpener, and now it's working wonderfully. I really like this as a primer. I don't at all think that the Shape Tape or concealer is bad, whatever works for you, but if you have this and you're working with color, maybe give it a try, because I know it's really hard to tell on camera, but this eye just looks a little bit more vibrant than this eye does, and it looks a little bit more blended and seamless than this eye too. So I'm just like pointing. But just keep that in mind, and never use the Ulta Black eyeliner pencil because that was a disaster. I'm so sorry about that fiasco. But anyways, I'll wrap this up because this is the longest shit ever. But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. up and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time.